His favorite food is aloo paratha, pizza, sabudani khichdi. Let's all call Vihan on the stage.
Okay.
Vihan, importance of yoga and meditation. Importance of yoga and meditation. Vihan, the stage is your office.
Thank you. Thank you for introducing me. Good evening, good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
So, my name is Vihan from grade 2nd. Today, I am going to talk about yoga and the importance of yoga and meditation. So, let me start with the quote. Yoga is a light which once lit but never dims. The brighter you practice, the brighter your flame. This is said by the famous yoga guru B.K.S. Iyengar. Importance of yoga and meditation. Furthermore, we can learn how to be calm and strong by doing yoga. What is yoga? What is yoga? Yes, Brijesh.
Yoga is the thing that we do every morning, and if we do, we will get like we will be strong. Like
Yes, Bhushan.
yoga is set of exercises which we practice. If you practice those exercises, you get something like profit from
body, healthy lifestyles. Yoga promotes an all-over healthy lifestyles by encouraging physical activity, mindfulness, and balanced approach to life. From yoga poses to time. So first one is the tree pose. So stand on your leg like a tree. Can anyone come on the stage and do tree pose? Yes, Vibhu and Brijesh. No, first the bull. Yep. Yes, Vibhu. No. Yes. Okay. Next one is Cobra pose. Lay on your tummy. Lay on your tummy and lift your head. Can anyone join us? So next one is a child pose. Sit back and sit on your heels and stretch forward.
Okay, wonderful.
So next one. Let's do a simple meditation exercise. Can everybody come to the stage and do meditation for 30 seconds? Let's
No, you can make them do there only. Here only they can sit and do it.
Hold your legs and close your eyes and focus on your breath and think about something that makes you feel happy.
Close your eyes. The instructor is giving you to close your eyes. Please close.
Done? Okay. Let's see a quick video for a minute. I'm going to ask some questions. So, what did you see in the video? Yes, Vibhu.
I should meditate every day.
Okay, British.
Means it encourages our life efforts and also it makes us happy.
Okay. Anybody else? No? Okay. Conclusion. Yoga and meditation are fun and help us feel great. Let's remember to take care of our body and mind every day. Let me end my speech with a wonderful, end my PPT with a wonderful quote. It's also said by the famous yoga guru B.K.S. Iyengar, yoga does not transform the way we see things, it transforms the person who sees. Here are some benefits in charts. Here are some benefits of by doing yoga. Better pulses rate and bone densities and strong